There are sites in the world where experts can register and earn money online. These jobs are called freelance. Specializations such as SEO, design, digital marketing, article writing, and other specialize. But there is a golden method for people who do not have enough expertise and are interested in making money online. Stay with me as I continue the tutorial. But before we start, make sure to subscribe to the channel and don't forget to click on the notification. Hi guys, okay, let's start the training. Fiverr is one of the best and largest freelance sites in the world that many freelancers and employers refer to. But as I said before, if you don't have any expertise, you can earn money online from a freelance job. First, you register and complete your profile and the Fiverr website. To complete your profile, you can add specialists such as logo designers and website designers. You can take example from the profile of the professional freelancers who are active in Fiverr, but do not copy them in any way. Congratulations! After completing your profile, you can work as an expert. But our strategy to earn money is that at first, for example, you find the best seller in the specialized field you want on Fiverr site. We choose logo designers here. But in the next step, you register on the people per hour website. This site is also a big freelance site in the world. On this site, you can explain that you are a professional logo designer, as on Fiverr website, that will design a logo for you for $15, and you can set the price of a normal logo on the people site for $50. And in this case, you will make a profit of $35. You guessed it right. Our strategy to earn money online from freelance site without you having expertise is to do intermediary work, and this is a power strategy in the world of online businesses. Remember to show your work portfolio. You can use the profiles of professionals in Fiverr. But in the end, if you are interested in getting much more income from this strategy, you can also work with the 99 Design site. On this site, you can order logos at a much high price and earn more. Thank you for watching the video. Subscribe to channel and click on the notification bell smash the like button, and I'll see you in the next videos.